Rule your life with your mind, not with your feelings. Every bad decision we have made in life, there was more emotion in it than there was mine. Every single one. Don't say yes to everyone to make them comfortable. Check with yourself too before you commit. Time truly flies. Be grateful always because it can always be worse. Live like there's no tomorrow and do what you love. Don't get bogged down in regrets. No one is perfect. Don't chase happiness. Just stay positive and you will experience joy. Lower your expectations. Having high expectations of yourself and of others is a recipe for chronic dissatisfaction in life. It is better to be hated for what you are than to be beloved for something you are not. Don't compare your life to others. You have no idea what their journey is all about. No one is going to figure out your life. It's your responsibility. If you are a so-called nice guy, you will be screwed up in the worst possible way you can ever think of. Pay close attention to those who say they love you, because so often they don't. They only use you. Trust in yourself and your first instinct on decisions. Don't depend too much on anyone in this world, because even your own shadow leaves you when you are in darkness. This is your world. Shape it, or someone else will. Men always want to be a woman's first love. Women like to be a man's last romance. If you're going to try, go all the way. Otherwise, don't even start. No matter how far you have gone a wrong road, you can still turn around. The only time you run out of chances is when you stop taking them. It's never too late to become who you want to be. Just keep moving forward. Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. It's never too late to change your life for the better. You don't have to take huge leaps. Small steps will do. It's never too late to reinvent yourself. You have the power to become who you've always wanted to be. The only way to make your dreams come true is to wake up and chase them. Life is not about waiting for the storms to pass, but about learning to dance in the rain. Never trust a person who has had a relationship with dishonesty, for they have embraced a companion that erodes the soul and obscures the truth. See you again next video. So, until next time, stay in love, stay in happy.